and so today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a spring to summer makeup look. Like it works for spring and summer. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Just like in every video, you need to tie your hair up because you don't want it in your face while doing your makeup. The first thing I'm gonna do is my eyes because I don't want any fallouts on my face and I really want to focus on them. So the first palette I'm gonna use is my Estee Lauder Deluxe Eyeshadow Compact. So I have these really beautiful colors and I'm gonna be using this light blue and the purples to deepen up in my crease. And I'm gonna be using the pinks to give a little bit of pop to my eyes. So let's go. So first I'm gonna take the light blue color right here, this one, and I'm gonna apply it on my lid, all over my lid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna deepen up my crease with this color, this plum color, and mixed up with this one. So as you can see, I have a lot of fallout, so that's why I started with my eyes and I will then do my face. Okay, so after I've blended the plum color on my crease, I'm gonna take another flat brush and I'm gonna use this pink because it's the most like popping pink, and I'm gonna apply it on the middle of my lid. The pink I'm using right now, this one, is originally a blush, but you can use blushes as eyeshadows, even lip liners as eyeliners. That's what I do. So what I'm gonna do now is I applied some concealer on the back of my hand and I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner. So this is the look. I'm gonna recreate it on my other eye, and as you can see I have some fallouts, and this is not a bad thing because like I don't need to go in and reapply the eyeshadow. I already have a little bit, so I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'm gonna do my face. Okay, so I am done with the eyes, and as you can see I really like them. I really like the pop of pink and the purple. I think it's really like spring to summer look. So what I'm gonna do now is my face. So let's go. I'm gonna be using this white eyeliner in my waterline because I feel like my eyes look a little small. So I just want to say that I'm really new at makeup. I do not wear makeup every single day. I just feel like I love makeup, but I just feel like, you know, everyone is naturally beautiful. Like God gave you your face for a reason. He created you for a reason, and you're beautiful in your own way. So makeup is just art. Like for me, I'm just practicing an art on my face, especially on my eyes. So right now I'm gonna apply mascara. So I apply mascara, like the last thing I apply is usually mascara, because I kind of have a little bit of an allergy to it. So Some girls do a really wrong thing, and that is like they apply on an eye and then apply on the other. What you need to do is to just put the one back, because you need the same amount of mascara on both eyes. So what I'm gonna do now is use my favorite lipstick. So this is the finished look. I'm sorry, I'm in my PJs, because who isn't at this time. So this is the makeup look, and I really enjoyed doing it for you guys because I really like spring colors. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I post some little tutorials on there, like 1-minute tutorials, like glitter face. See you guys in my next video. What you want? Okay, yes, I'm in sweatpants and running shoes, and I'm in my PJs. So